We're very happy to be serving a community here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. We are again providing free consultations, free screenings, and free medicines to the chosen 200 beneficiary of Barangay Tagapo. We're very happy to be partnering again with Southstar Drug, Robinson Santa Rosa, the LGU of Barangay Tagapo, and of course, LGU of Santa Rosa, Laguna. And special thanks, of course, to the City Health Office who provided several volunteers, doctors, and nurses to help out in the screening and consultations of our beneficiaries. Again, thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Lisa Pedrosa, and I'm the mall manager for Robinson Santa Rosa. We are now here sa Barangay Tagapo for the medical mission with CSR, Rotary Club of Santa Rosa, and the City Health Office. So we're very glad na may 200 kaming mga recipients na nakapag-screening at nabigyan ng libreng gamot. So I hope that this won't be the last time, and we'll look for other recipients also along Santa Rosa that we could give our medical, we could offer our medical mission. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon po sa lahat ng andito. Salamat sa tulong ng lagi-lagi na ang Robinson Malls. At ito naman every year talagang ginagawa ng Robinson. Kaya malaki na utang na loob na Tagapo. Yung bagay na ginawa ng Robinson kasama ang Southstar Drug at Our Love ay talagang napalaki na itulong dito sa Barangay Tagapo. Marami kangay na gamot, nabigyan ng gamot, at hindi lang yon, marami pang giveaways na ibinigay. Kaya maraming salamat po, Robinson Malls.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako si Dr. Catherine Haines, isa po sa mga volunteers dito po sa Our Love Medical Mission, kasama ng aking mga kasamahan sa City Health Office 1 ng Santa Rosa. Kami po ay taos-puso nagpapasalamat dahil kami po ay naging bahagi ng isa na namang matagumpay na medical mission ng Our Love. At ako po ay lubos na nagagalak dahil kami po ay nakatulong sa aming po mga kababayan. Nabigyan namin sila ng mga payong medikal at naturuan namin sila kung paano po pangangalaga ang higit ang kanilang kalusugan. Kaya minsan pa po, marami pong salamat and God bless us all.